everyone, and welcome back to Beverly's Design Time. Today is our Glam 4th of July DIY collaboration, and I'm more than excited to see what everyone has created. If you're new to my channel, I would like to say welcome and thanks for stopping by. I would also like to invite you to check out more of my videos. My channel is mostly dedicated to home decor DIYs and hauls. So if you like what you see, then please subscribe. I would also like to encourage you to go over and check out the other two hosts' channels, as well as the other participants in this collaboration. Denise over at Dazzling Designs by Denise has some amazing DIYs. If you're into organization, beautiful DIYs, and hauls, then please check out Lisa at GREENCRYSTALROSE. I have provided a playlist link below in the information box so you guys can go over and check out all the participants in this collaboration. Alright guys, so on with the DIY. Let's just get right into it. Now, these are the items that I'll be using for my DIY. I have some that I'm questioning. I'm not sure if I'll use them. Remember, I can only use up to $20 to make my DIY. So I've decided that I'm going to make a table lamp. I think it would be really cute and different to have like a centerpiece that's a lamp. It would be cute outside or indoors for the 4th of July. Let's just get started. Alright, first I have a fish bowl. I have the larger one. I have one candle holder. I have two of the blue star-shaped candle holders. Two of the red ones. Two of the silver ones that will act as our white. I have one of the larger star-shaped bowls. I have these LED lights that I might use. I'm not sure if I'll use these yet. I have some FIXALL adhesive. I have my glue gun. I have 3 of these necklaces and they all have stars on them. I have 3 separate rows of bling. This blue is not the right color. This is more like a teal. So I probably won't be using it. I might use the silver or the red. So we'll see as the DIY progresses. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bouquets of flowers, and I have this wire basket. Alright guys, so let's just get started. Oh, and I have some snippers and some scissors. First I'll take the largest star, and this is going to be my base. And what I'm going to do is red, white, and blue, red, white, and blue. I'm going to stack this like this. And then the blue will be on the bottom. Alright, let's start with the first star. The next thing I want to do is go ahead and add my candle holder, and I'm going to add it this way. And the next thing I want to do is check the level. Yeah, that's pretty good. Go ahead and add my fish bowl right on top. So again, I'm going to take the FIXALL glue and just go along the edge of the candle holder. And then just set it on top. Alright, so that's pretty even. I'm going to leave this for about 2 hours to set up, and then I'll come back and go on with the DIY. Alright, so while our lamp is still setting up, I want to go ahead and see if I can snip these hoops off. If not, then I'll just work around them. Okay, so that's pretty easy. If you have some wire snippers, just use those to take that off. Alright, so now that we've removed those little wire hooks, I want to go ahead and start adding some of the flowers around the bottom of it, because this is now our lampshade. So I'm going to add some flowers around the bottom and then some around the top. So I'm just going to add some hot glue and then just put the flower right in. And then flip it around and add some additional glue. Just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to go around and add a white one directly across. Let's try it this way. Just add some glue to the flower. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to add flowers all around the base. just like that. So now I just want to go in and clip some of those stems. I also have these flowers and they have these stars in them. I want to go ahead and take these stars and just embellish the lampshade with these stars. I'm just going to stick them in different places. Alright, just like that. Now let's take some bling wrap and just trim out the top. Alright guys, so that's how it's looking so far. Everything seems to be pretty firm. We're going to leave this be for now. So, alright, so let's see how much we've spent so far. So $1 for the bling wrap. Even though I didn't use the whole roll, you still have to count it for $1. The basket, that's $2. 2 sets of stars. So that's 1, 2, that's 4. 2 sets of flowers, that's 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I can only use $5 more worth of items. I think I want to add some red bling wrap to the bottom. So that would be $16. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to attach it. Alright, so now I'm going to do the same thing with the silver. I'm just going to go right above the red. I have this tea light holder and it came from Dollar Tree. It came in a set of 4, so I'm going to use this along with one of these napkin rings. So that'll put us at $18, I think. My camera is about to die, so I'm going to need to charge it again. So what I'm going to do is glue these 2 pieces together and then put these on the inside. Just like that. I have this set of LED lights. And I think I'll just go ahead and pop one on the inside. See what that looks like. So yeah, that'll put us at $19, I think. Alright guys, so I think I'm about done. So what I'm going to do is let this completely dry, because it's not all the way dry yet. Clean up any glue webs that I have. And then I'll come back and let you guys see my completed piece. Okay guys, so this is my completed piece, and as you can see I have the little LED light right inside the small tea light holder. That, along with the silver napkin ring, gives it the appearance of a light bulb. So I really was satisfied with the way it looked, but I wanted more lights, so I added one of the Dollar Tree push lights right on top of the tea light. And that brings my total for this DIY to $20. And I'm really excited about how the lampshade turned out. It turned out even better than I imagined. I added a red strip of bling around it also to complete the look. And guys, I am truly in love. I am definitely going to redo this piece in silver. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I would also like to take this time to thank Lisa and Denise for hosting this collab with me. You ladies are awesome. Again guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. And to my subscribers, I would like to say thank you so much for all your sweet comments. I truly love you all. And I look forward to bringing you more DIYs. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.